We are talking about the biggest generational leap in the history of the iPad mini. Imagine a display that completely ruins you for all other screens, a processor that runs laps around most standard laptops, and a complete overhaul of the device's core identity. Welcome back to TapTech. Today, we are diving deep into the highly guarded secrets of the iPad mini 8. We have combed through the most reliable supply chain leaks, insider reports, and component orders to bring you the unfiltered truth about Apple's next pocket powerhouse. If you want to know why you should absolutely hold off on buying any tablet until this drops, you are in the exact right place. Let us start with the most massive, highly requested upgrade that fans have been screaming for. For years, the iPad mini has been stuck with LCD technology. It was perfectly fine for reading and casual browsing, but in a world where even budget phones have stunning screens, fine is no longer acceptable for a premium Apple device. The iPad mini 8 is finally making the historic jump to OLED. If you have never experienced an OLED tablet, get ready to have your mind blown. Unlike traditional LCDs that rely on a giant backlight illuminating the entire screen, OLED technology allows every single individual pixel to light up or completely turn off on its own. This means when you are watching a movie in the dark, the black bars at the top and bottom of the screen emit zero light. They are pitch black. Apple is not just slapping an OLED panel on the current body and calling it a day. According to highly accurate display analysts, the physical footprint of the iPad mini 8 will remain almost exactly the same, but the screen itself is actually growing. Apple is reportedly shrinking the bezels significantly, pushing the display closer to the edges. This means you will get an 8.5-inch or even an 8.7-inch screen packed into the same highly portable chassis you already love. You get more real estate for your games, your movies, and your reading, without sacrificing the one-handed usability that makes the iPad mini so incredibly special. Now, because we pride ourselves on giving you the raw truth here at TapTech, we need to talk about the one potential catch with this new screen. To keep the iPad mini from creeping into iPad Pro price territory, Apple is using a single-stack OLED panel rather than the insanely expensive tandem OLED found in the newest iPad Pros. Furthermore, early supply chain reports suggest Apple will keep the refresh rate locked at 60 Hz. Yes, the lack of a 120 Hz ProMotion display might sting for the hardcore tech enthusiasts. Apple traditionally reserves ProMotion for their Pro-branded devices to maintain a clear dividing line in their product lineup. However, the sheer visual leap from a standard LCD to a perfectly tuned moving past the screen, let us talk about raw, unadulterated power. The current generation iPad mini is no slouch, but the iPad mini 8 is entering an entirely different stratosphere. Apple is positioning this device to be an absolute monster for Apple Intelligence. Because on-device artificial intelligence requires immense computational power and memory, the iPad mini 8 is heavily rumored to feature the upcoming A18 Pro or A19 chip, built on the bleeding-edge 3-nanometer process. What does this mean for your daily use? First, it means 8 gigabytes of RAM is now the absolute minimum standard, finally giving the Mini the memory overhead it needs for intense multitasking without apps constantly refreshing in the background. Second, the gaming potential is off the charts. With hardware-accelerated ray tracing and dynamic caching baked right into the chip, the iPad mini 8 will render complex lighting, reflections, and shadows in real time. You will be playing massive console-quality AAA games natively on a device that fits in your jacket pocket. Beyond gaming, this processor upgrade transforms the iPad mini into a legitimate tool for creative professionals. If you are a photographer pulling heavy raw files from a camera or a video editor needing to make quick cuts to 4K footage while on a flight, the Mini 8 will handle it without a single stutter. It is no longer just a media consumption device. It is a pocket-sized workstation. And when you pair that power with the Apple Pencil Pro, which is going to be fully supported, you have the ultimate digital sketchbook. The haptic feedback and barrel roll features of the Pencil Pro, combined with the flawless contrast of the new OLED display, will make drawing and taking notes feel incredibly lifelike. Let us discuss the battery life. You might think that a brighter OLED screen and a massive processor upgrade would absolutely destroy the battery. In reality, the exact opposite is true. OLED technology is inherently more energy efficient when displaying darker colors because it literally turns off the pixels. When you combine this with the hyper-efficient 3-nanometer chip and advanced iOS optimizations, the iPad Mini 8 is on track to deliver the longest battery life we have ever seen in this specific form factor. The camera system is also getting a welcome refinement. While nobody really wants to be the person holding up an iPad at a concert to take a picture, having a great camera on a device this portable is incredibly useful for utility tasks. We expect a wider aperture on the rear lens for significantly better low-light document scanning and casual photography. The front-facing camera will remain optimized for center stage, effortlessly tracking your movement during video calls. With the new neural engine in the upgraded chip, background blur and voice isolation during FaceTime or Zoom calls will be sharper and more accurate than ever before, making it a powerful tool for remote workers. Now, for the moment you have all been waiting for. When is the iPad Mini 8 actually coming out, and how much is it going to cost you? Currently, all reliable signs and supply chain production schedules point to a late 2026 release. Manufacturing for the new custom OLED panels is a complex process, and Apple wants to ensure yields are perfect before mass production begins. As for the price, this is the crucial detail. Adding OLED technology and a flagship-tier processor is not cheap. While Apple has fought hard to keep the base price of the Mini competitive over the years, the sheer cost of these premium components means a price hike is highly likely. Analysts expect the iPad Mini 8 to start at around $549 or possibly $599. While a price increase is never fun to hear, you have to look at the immense value being offered. You are essentially getting a shrunken-down iPad Pro for a fraction of the cost. If your current tablet is broken and you absolutely need something tomorrow for work or school, go ahead and buy what is currently available. But if you have a functioning device, or if you simply demand the absolute best compact technology on the market, you must wait for the iPad Mini 8. The jump to OLED alone will completely change how you watch movies and play games, and the massive leap in processing power guarantees this device will last you for many years without slowing down. That is the complete breakdown of the iPad Mini 8. I want to pass the question over to you. Are you excited about the massive jump to OLED, or is the potential price increase making you reconsider your next upgrade? Let me know your honest thoughts down in the comments section, because I read every single one, and I love hearing your perspective on where Apple is taking this device. If this video gave you the clarity you needed, or if you just love staying on the absolute cutting edge of the tech world, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to Tap Tech, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our deep dives. We have some crazy exclusive tech leaks coming down the pipeline that you will not find anywhere else on the internet. Thank you so much for watching, keep tapping into the future, and I will see you in the next video.